Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. Today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas after making high of around $6.9, we have seen it has already made a low of around $6.245 this dollar for a particular week I'm talking about. Okay, now trading at around $6.368. If you look at the particular of natural gas, what we have seen after March 2022, there is quite huge volatility we have seen in the price of natural gas. And one more important thing that you have to understand, that there is a pattern forming in natural gas, that whenever it goes high we have seen a sharp fall has come, and this being repeated for the 5 time continuously. Okay, so if this level sustain, or if it comes close to around, you can say 8.8, then a probability is very high that we can see it can cross and can go towards a high of previous high, that is $9.9. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, we have seen less of volatility compared to these two. Okay, because there is what we have seen, all-time high also made, okay, and break, and a sharp fall also we have seen. Okay. So before we move forward and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price goes up this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $6.566, and this particular level is a weak resistance. So chances of moving further upside is there. Then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $6.815, and if that level sustain, then chances of touching a level of $6.994 is there. $6.994 is again resistance, which is weak resistance, so chance of moving further upside is there. Then we can see it can go towards a level of 7.3. Keep this in mind, once it sustains this level, a probability of touching 7.3 is there, and if that level goes further high, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around $7.524. Okay, and once the price goes above that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around, you can say, $8.091. Okay, because this is the level, once it breaks this particular zone, it can touch a level of around $8.109, and once it crosses a level of $8.09, then it can go towards a level of around $8.233. And once it goes above that particular level, our probability of moving further upside is on a higher side. Okay, but if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, there is a huge volatility. Okay, and one important thing also you have to a flag pattern is trying to create. See, a trend is forming. Okay, a narrow pattern is forming. Okay, which shows that there is chances that once this trend line breaks downside, a probability of moving further down is on a higher side. Because if you look at this particular chart, a flag pattern is creating. Okay, if you look at this chart, we can see a narrow pattern is forming here and a narrow zone is created here. So if this level didn't sustain, a probability of moving further down is there. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of around $622, and if that level goes further low, then we can see it can touch a level of around $5.998. Okay, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $5.343. $5.343 is again a weak support, so chances of moving further low is there, and then we can see it can go towards a level of around $4.9. Okay, and before that 5.1, and from there we can see a level of 4.9, and once if it fall below that level, chances of touching 4.493 is there, and then we can see it can move further low if the price goes below a level of 4.4. So you have to keep this in mind, once the zone breaks downside, a probability of moving further down is there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.